In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a comparison table in Notion step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Comparison tables are perfect for comparing tools, features, pricing, pros and cons, or any option side by side. And once you know this setup, you can reuse it again and again. This is one of those simple Notion skills that instantly makes your workspace look more professional and organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add your comparison table. This could be a brand new page or an existing workspace where you're organizing information. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the blank space so you can start typing. Now, type /table. As soon as you type /table, Notion will open the block menu with different table options. This is where a lot of people get confused, but don't worry, it's very simple. From the list that appears, click on Table. This will instantly insert a basic table into your page. By default, Notion creates a table with a few rows and columns so you can get started right away. Now that the table is on your page, the next step is to name it properly so it's clear what you're comparing. Click on the top row or the first column and start typing your headings. For example, you might name the first column Feature, the second column Tool A, and the third column Tool B. If you're comparing pricing, you could use headings like Plan, Monthly Cost, and Annual Cost. Naming your columns clearly is what turns a basic table into a powerful comparison table. Take a moment here to think about what information you want to compare and label each column accordingly. Next, start filling in the rows with your comparison details. Click into each cell and type the relevant information. You can add more rows by pressing Enter at the end of a row, and you can add more columns by clicking the small plus icon on the right side of the table. This makes it very easy to expand your comparison as needed. Now let's make the table easier to read. One really useful feature in Notion is the ability to drag and adjust the size of columns. Hover your mouse over the edge of a column until you see the resize handle, then click and drag to adjust the width. This is especially helpful if one column has longer text like descriptions or notes, while others only contain short values like yes or no. Adjusting column sizes makes your comparison table look cleaner and more professional. You can also drag the entire table block to reposition it on the page. Just grab the 6-dot handle on the left side of the table and move it wherever you want. If you want to take your comparison table a step further, you can add formatting like bold text for important differences, or even emojis and icons to make things more visual. Notion also allows you to duplicate tables, so once you've built one comparison table, you can reuse it for other projects without starting from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully created a clean and flexible comparison table in Notion using just a few simple steps. This method works great for personal planning, business decisions, content creation, or team documentation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.